Hi, today I'm making Greek roasted potatoes. This is a great recipe and side dish. I start with a stalk of rosemary, chopped fine, 2 cloves of garlic, and a half of a lemon. Now, this is a small lemon, so we're going to use about a quarter of that lemon peel and chop it very finely. Add the rosemary and the garlic and 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. And so if you haven't seen my recipe for garlic oil, you can take a look at that. We're going to mix that all together, and then we are going to take our red potatoes and wash them thoroughly. You definitely want to make sure that they're clean and dry. I cut them in half, making sure, again, that they're clean, ready to go. I add salt and pepper to those potatoes to taste. And then I'm going to add my rosemary, garlic, and lemon mixture, as you can see here. And so we're just going to pour it over the potatoes. Where I add 2 small pieces of rosemary to the potatoes, and then I pour them in a pan, and I'm going to bake these at 25 minutes on 350 degrees. The outside of the potato will be firm and crispy, and the inside tender and delicious. It's a fantastic side.